Good morning everyone. Welcome to Pranav Engineering. Myself Shrutika Shinde and I am sales executive. We would like to introduce our company. We are one of the leading compressor and parts. We would like to introduce our products. So our inventory manager would like to you our products.
Hello guys, so I am Saurabh Saved, the inventory manager from the team Pranav Engineering. We have a large amount of stock ready, over 7 lakhs SKUs and 125 plus brands from compressor parts. We have the 128 customer in different countries. So let's go to our inventory. So behind me is the inventory. Let's go inside for some better clarity about our products. So at the first start we have solenoid valves and we have a various type of solenoid valves. And then we have our thermal valve section. Further, we have our seal section. And we have also coupling. This is small coupling, but we have also big coupling. This is temperature sensor section. And this is our pressure sensor section. And on the other side we have cylinder also. MPV kit. This is wall gasket set. This is drain one. This is piston ring set.